My name is Chris Wiseman, and I am Product Marketing Manager of Tax and Advisory at CPA.com. I've worked closely with accounting professionals throughout my 23-year career in various aspects of the accounting profession, including back-end technology management, product leadership, change management, and especially thought leadership, really around industry trends and challenges and helping firms to grow and adapt to those new changes. So if I had to pick one word to describe myself, I'd choose the word bridge. I'm really passionate about connecting or bridging people, technology, and processes to empower professionals to succeed both in business and in maintaining a healthy work-life balance. And in my time working with Diane Yetter and the Sales Tax Institute, I see her passion for enabling sales tax professionals as aligned with my passion for connecting people, tech, and processes. And I'm really excited to bring our perspectives and passions together to help those professionals. So I've lived in the buzzword lane for years, helping accountants navigate the paperless office, cloud computing, client portals, cybersecurity awareness, OCR technology. I'm a firm believer that you both need to keep up with technology, but also that you shouldn't implement technology for technology's sake. So what excites me about this session is that the Sales Tax Institute is dedicating a large chunk of time in the advanced workshop to thoroughly helping sales tax professionals understand AI and how it realistically and safely fits into their work lives. If you're watching this video and you're attending, I can't wait to have you engaged in the conversation.